Now locators in WebDriver are, one is ID, name,
Name, class name,
tag name, link text,
link text,
XPath,
XPath.
and CSS locator. Okay, locator. So these are all the types of node. So whenever you capture a particular element, it should be the first priority would be ID or name. If the ID, name, and class name are not, then we can go for XPath for that element. So how we are going to inspect a particular window? For example, we're going to work on Chrome browser, right? So I want to inspect this. I want to get the property of this object. Okay. So for that, right click on that, go to the inspect, right click on that, go to inspect. Okay, madam. So now here you can find the arrow symbol. Just click on the arrow symbol and just click on the text which you required it. Just click on that. So here you can find the, see, the indication shows that here is the name equal to Q. So that is a property. Name is a locator. Locator name is Q. Okay. So what we can do? So I can write as, I'm going to find an element. So there is a function called find element. There are two types of elements. One is called find element. Other one is called find elements. The find element is to capture a particular object, and find element is to get multiple elements present in the window. Okay. So here we are going to capture this text box so that the name will be Q. And similarly, I want to capture this button also. Which button I want to go for? I want to go for Google search button, right? Just click on the Google search button. So here also you can identify, is there any name? Yes, name equal to?
Name BTNK.
NK. So I need to enter something into the text box and I want to click on the button. I want to click on the button. So for that, so name equal to Q for text box. Text box. And the name equal to BTNK for Google search button. Google search button. Okay. Now, so if you want to identify this, we use a d dot find element of by dot name. Okay, name, and that just you need to give Q. Okay, dot. So we need to enter something into the text box, right? So we use a function called send keys, madam. We use a function called send keys. And what do you want to enter? I want to enter manual testing. Okay, na? So I'm going to find an object in the Google page. I want to find an element by a method called method by, and the locator name is name, and the locator name is Q, and where you want to enter using a function called send keys, and I want to enter manual testing. Now I want to click on this button, right? So for this button, we use a function called d dot find element of by dot name, and just I'm going to use in the quotations, I'm going to use BTNK dot. So I want to click button, right? So what is the function? We use function called click. Can I? Dot click. So these are the two functions which are going to work for Google page. Now just I'm going to create a new class. So just I'm going to go to the WebDriver, go to new, click on the package, day 4, something like, okay, day 4. Under the day 4, right click on that, go to new, click on the class and mention as searching, public static void main, click finish. Okay. So under that, just I'm going to use system dot set property of WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver comma d colon / Chrome driver dot
Chrome driver.
So I'm going to use Chrome driver d equal to new Chrome driver d dot get. So I'm going to use http ://www.google.com. Okay. So after that, I'm going to use, now I want to maximize the window, d dot manage dot
window
dot maximize. Okay, so once it is maximized, I want to get the title and URL of the page. So for that, string A equal to t dot get title. So system dot out dot println
A.
Similarly, string B equal to d dot equal to get a current URL. So system dot out dot println of B. Okay, madam?
B.
Okay. Now, once I get the title and URL, now I want to inspect that element. So for that, just click on the arrow symbol and inspect that element. So name equal to Q. Okay. So for that, so for your understanding, searching an element from the text box using locator. So d dot find element of by dot name q dot so we use to enter this, we use send keys manual testing. After that, I want to wait for 2 seconds. So to wait for 2 seconds, we use wait for 2 seconds. So we use threaded dot sleep function. Threaded dot sleep of 2 seconds. So here use threaded dot sleep of 2 seconds. 2000 milliseconds. So it will wait for 2 seconds. Once it wait, I want to click on the Google search button. Just click on that and click on the Google search button. Name equal to BTNK. So d dot find element of by dot name BTNK dot click. So once I get the new page, I want to get the title and URL of the new page also. Just I'm going to copy that and I'm going to get the title. Okay. So get the title and URL of the new page. Okay. URL of the new page. So I want to use navigate back also. Can we use navigate back method to go back?
Yeah.
So we use move to previous page. So d dot navigate dot
back.
So where does it goes? Moves to Google page. Okay, it goes to the moving page. Again, I want to d dot close the window. That's all. So just I'm going to run as so we are having issues are there. So what are the issues? So here A already used now. So there we already use A. So we use A1 and
B1.
And we have two more errors. So change to set property and change to Chrome driver watch.openqs serial. Save the file. Now just we have one more issue here. Thread.sleep add throw declarations. Save the file. Now run as Java application. Okay, madam?
Yeah.
See, this is the title and URL of the Google page, and this is the title and URL of the manual testing page. Okay, so this is how we are going to use a navigate back method. Now I want to take the screenshot for this page, madam. I want to take the screenshot for the manual testing page. Okay.
Okay.
So I want capturing screenshot. So now, so when you want to take a screenshot, we use the two functions are there. So just I'll explain you. File, some variable va variable equal to, you can write any variable v1 equal to, I'm going to write a take a screenshot of d dot get a screenshot as, we can write output type dot file utils dot copy file of src. So here v1 comma new file of d colon double slash chrome oh sorry, here something like a1 dot png. Okay. See, the first line indication shows that it is a file utility it is an file functions from read, write, append. There are many functions are there, file functions. So here when you are using Java, we use is a package where it is stored in the package. That is a java.io package. Java.io package. And in this, I'm going to create a variable called v1 equal to take screenshot. I'm going to take the screenshot of which page, already declared as a variable D. Okay. A page key, I'm going to take the D. This is a D. D is for Google page. Okay. D dot get the screenshot as whatever the screenshot I'm going to take, that will be the output of that file. Which file? V1 file. Okay. Na? V1 file. Now here what it shows, the first line shows that I'm going to take the screenshot and I'm going to store it in a variable called v1. Now in the second line, file utils dot mean that whatever the copy I want, whatever the data is stored in the v1, I'm going to copy that into a new file dot a1 dot png. So for that, file utils dot copy file, which file I want to copy? I want to copy the v1 to a new file, where you want to copy in D drive with the file name a1 and with an extension png, So automatically, whatever the file is been stored in the v1, whatever the data present in v1, I'm going to copy that v1 into a D drive with a file name a1.png. Okay, and .png. Just if you remember these two lines, that more than enough. Okay. So just we'll write here. So we use file, some variable v2 equal. Just we can write take screenshot. Screenshot of D dot get screenshot dot get screenshot as output type. Okay, output type dot file. Now file utils dot copy file dot unit rate these files, madam. If you are not getting, that means that invalid syntax. Okay, whatever you are written is invalid. So you should identify these, whether these methods are getting or not. File of C new. What is the v2 comma new file D colon double slash new w1 dot png. Now just we have some errors there. See, change to have you this java.io just now told .io. Now just T should be capital letter. Change to take screenshot as capital letter, S capital letter. Okay, next get a screenshot as, change to get screenshot as. Now change to file java.io. Now just add throw declarations. That's all. So save the file. Now again, I'm going to execute my program. Just run as Java application. Okay, so it's over. Now I want to check that my file name. So go to the D drive and just with the name of, just go for D.
A1.png.
A1.png or okay, can identify that as A1. Right?
Yeah.
New one, not A1, madam. New one, madam. I think new one. We have checked manual testing, right? Manual testing page. Okay, na? We have captured the manual testing page, not main page. See, the file name is, what is the file name? New one.php.
New one. New one.
Which,
Yeah.
which page? Once the manual testing is open, manual testing page is opened. Once the button is clicked, it goes to the manual testing, right? I'm going to take
Yeah.
the screenshot from manual testing page.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how to capture the
New.
screenshot.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. Screenshot D. D and it's closed. Huh? Okay, 1 second.
yeah, man. Yeah, giving out. I need to take the screen. Yeah, tell me, madam.
Yeah, this one. File V2 equal to take screenshot and
D,
D. Yeah.
D.
D is a
Variable. Whatever the application we are going to open, that variable, madam.
Okay, and we are closing it.
So I didn't close it, right? Once I get that, I'll get the title URL, then I'll go back again, close it.
Okay.
Right. Okay, na. Manual testing page in the screenshot. I'm going to take the screenshot, madam. Okay. Once I take the screenshot, again, I'm going to get the title URL of the manual testing. Then I'll go back to the Google page and I'll close the window.
Okay.
You know? So anyway, I'll send this document, no problem. Okay. So this is how we are going to search any element. So can you try? I'll show you one sample example. Just you try to work on that, madam. So I want to open my, here you need to type as new tours, click on that. See here you can find demo.guru99.com, new tours page. In this page, just I want to click on the link registered and I want to enter my first name, last name, these things I want to enter, right? Can you try?
Okay. Yeah.
So how do you inspect this element? See, just click on the arrow symbol and click on the register, madam. Okay, now. So when you click on the register, here you can find that this is called link text. This is called link text. So what you can d dot find element of by dot link text register
Link text.
dot click.
Click.
Click. Okay, once you click on that, we need to inspect the first name, last name. So how do you inspect it? Just click on that, click on the first name, name equal to
first name.
so how do you write that? D dot find element.
D dot find element by dot name.
First name.
First
Under that you need to give first name. Dot.
First name dot. Click.
No. You are entering something, right? We need to enter send keys.
Send keys. Yeah.
Okay.
Send keys. Name.
Yeah, name of the element. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can write for all the first name, last name, and when you select here also in country, so same thing, madam. Just what you can do, inspect this country. Okay. Just inspect this country. So name equal to country, right? Name equal to country. So d dot find element of by dot name country dot send keys India.
Send keys India.
That's all.
Okay.
Okay. You try to write, you try to work on this, madam, and just send me the screenshot.
Sure.
In WhatsApp. Okay.
Yeah.
Today's thing for the timing, you just to practice